Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Plantation Heights has some of Kingston 19 better homes, and this property, boasting some 10,000 square feet, speaks to everything grand. The land area is approximately 17,936 square feet, and the house overlooks the city with endless views from the pool and any one of its many balconies. This property is right for a large family or even an extended family, having 7 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. This is enough space never to feel cramped whilst having everyone under one roof. The kitchen has commercial grade appliances, and definitely there is no lack of space. Prepare the Christmas dinners, Sunday evening puddings in comfort. There is a beautiful dining and living room, gym space, as well as backup water tank. The laundry room and helpers' quarters are also well appointed. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.5 million, or Jamaican $230.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, Please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.